Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9447. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But the publisher has indicated this with 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5. Same for the other side. This side, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes then? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this S construction. If you flip this to the right side or left side, or mirror this, you will get the Z. Yeah, the Z construction. But this one is the S construction, is the same shape. The same shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Let me put the 2 here. Do we have more S or Z constructions? Nope. And the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And I've marked this box with 4 and 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. No more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can't be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If we place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 and no more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Alright. Then these two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well, these two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 2. So 2 and 4. No, we already have 4 here. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2, and that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3 is connected with that box, so a 3. These two boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 to 4, 2 to 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. Oh wait, these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes here with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 is also connected with this box, should be so a 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this cross area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Then this box can be 4. This box can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Wait. Let me think. 4, 5. Oh. Well. Come on. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, wait. I've marked this box with 4 and 5. Should be also there. It's connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. So I've eliminated here the 2. So 2 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 5 now. So this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 to 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And no. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Almost made a mistake. But we solve it again. In 13 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. 1 star. No. Should be a 0 stars. And faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Oh, no, Thursday. Correction. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.